Hello, Reading Group 4. Okay, so we only have 2 more lessons left before summer break. And so we're going to take a look at Euplate E on this lesson. And the next lesson, we've got one more new thing to learn, and then we're going to play a game for our last week of school. So here we go. I wanted to make sure that before we went on summer break that we had learned all of our layer cake vowel patterns. So we're going to go ahead and learn the last one today. So far we have put letter A in this spot. We've put letter I in this spot, and last lesson we put letter O in this spot. So today we're going to be putting letter U. Letter U has not gotten a chance to say their name yet, have they? So finally they're going to get to say their name, and they're going to say U, cute. Remember, the E is always silent. Cute. This is the word cute. Now, these words can be kind of challenging to read. The only thing that you have to remember is you've got to remember that that you has to say his name. He's not going to say oo or okay? He's going to say his name, which is you. So you've got to stick that U sound in there. Let's try this one. Mule. This is a mule. All right, I know, you know it's coming. Get out that vocabulary paper. This is our last vocabulary. We're going to do these together. So write the word mule at the top of a vocabulary square. We're going to learn what a mule is. A mule is an animal that is part donkey and part horse. Okay, so part donkey and part horse. On your reading pages this week, there is a picture of a mule. There it is, okay? There's a picture of a mule. All right. So, mule is an animal that is part donkey and part horse. Now, what we're going to do is go on to the next one. So, you're going to draw me a picture of a mule. They're strong animals. They can pull wagons. And then use the word mule in a sentence. Okay, we don't need to add this one to vocabulary because you already know this word. You know what it means. So this is the word cube. Cube. Okay, a cube. We already know that, so there's no need to put it on there. A cube is something that we've been learning in math class, right? Where you draw a square and then you start with a dot in the middle and you draw another square and you connect them. That's a cube. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this next one. Fume. Remember, make sure that U says U. Fume. Add fume to your next square. A fume is an odor, and not just an odor, it's a strong odor. It can be a good smell or a bad smell. If you have a good fume, a lot of times they call that perfume. You know what perfume is, right? Perfume is something we spray on to smell good. Perfume. There's the word fume in it, okay, because it's an odor or a smell. But we can also have bad fumes, like gas fumes from gasoline. Gas fumes are actually, they can explode. Right? If you get a spark near a gas fume, it'll explode. So some fumes are dangerous and some fumes are actually nice, like perfume. So you're going to draw me a picture of a fume and use the word fume in a sentence on your vocabulary page. All right, the next one we're going to learn is this one. This is pure. To be pure means that you don't have anything else mixed into it. Like you can have pure water. Pure water is nothing but water. There's no dirt in it. There's no chemicals in it. There's no gravel or rocks in it. It's just pure water. So is chocolate milk pure? Chocolate milk is not pure because it has chocolate mixed in with the milk. If it was just plain white milk, it would be called pure milk because there's nothing else in it, just the milk. but chocolate milk is not pure. Okay, use the word pure in a sentence. Draw me a picture of something that is pure. Okay, now, let's look at our worksheets that go along with this lesson. First one is page 45, and you're going to take the layer cake words and write them on the layer cakes, and then show me how they go in the spelling houses. Remember that the plate and the E need to go in the back room, and only the vowel that is doing the talking goes in the middle. Okay? All right. Up here at the top, you're going to practice reading these sentences. Okay? All right, then here is the last worksheet for this lesson, and you're going to take the words and copy them down and pattern mark them. Okay, another part of your lesson is going to be to take the reading page 22, and you're only going to be looking at section A. This is for your last lesson down here, this section, so we're just looking at section A. I want you to choose, because there's only 2 worksheets that go with this lesson, I want you to choose 4 of these sentences to illustrate and send me the pictures of the illustrated sentences. So you need to illustrate 4 of these. Illustrate means draw me a picture to show every part of the sentence so that I know that you know what the sentence is saying and you know what it's about. All right, that's it for your lesson for this week. We've only got one more, and then we'll play a game our last week of school, and it'll be summer. Can you believe it's already here?